What's going on, guys? Troy and Mountain Man Treasure here, and I don't want to spend a lot of time, I don't want to spend a lot of money, but we're going thrifting. So here's the deal, guys. I have an overabundance of inventory. I don't really need that much. Garage sale season is here, and as you know, in garage sale season we tend to buy in bulk, but I haven't stopped in the Goodwill for about a week, and it's worth stopping in and at least checking. Now, I am stopping in with some restrictions on myself. I don't want anything that's going to take any kind of sizable footprint. I don't want to eat up real estate because I don't have any to store stuff, so nothing big. I don't want to get anything that's going to be long tail, nothing that's going to sit around. I'm going in looking for stuff that's going to be small, easy to store, and quick to ship. Those are sort of the three things that I want to look at. So let's go in there and we'll see if we find anything that checks those boxes. That is the thrifting machine right there.
Troy, good to see you.
What do you got, buddy?
Juicy couture bag, new with tags.
I like it.
Oh, your YouTube's gonna love this. Oscar de la Renta, new with tags.
What?
You know how much that was new? Let's see if we can find out.
That's got to be $150, right?
Oh, or $300 or $400 new. Yeah. Check out these suede Converse, man.
I got some leather Converse to list. I don't have suede. Suede and sparkles.
What else do we got? Oh, this is something your viewers will know to look for. Sperry topsiders.
Nice.
Let's see here. What else we got, Troy? Just a fossil bag, and then
All right.
I think this is real leather. I think I'm taking a risk. It's made in Italy. I think it could be. I don't know. I don't think it's alligator, but it's made in Italy. It's leather. I'm taking a risk on that one. And then these are just some floor shimes that are new.
Jeff cleared out the bags. No reason to check. They're just really, really good at women's clothes, bags, shoes, that sort of thing. But we're going to see what else we can find. So here's one we're not going to get, but it's one to look for. Not getting these because of condition. You know, you see right there, it's worn a little bit. The other one, it's actually coming off. Right here, it's torn, discolored. It was probably washed, and so we had some bleed. In here, the heel, not great. Okay, but keep an eye out for these. It's Ed Hardy. He does a lot of tiger pattern stuff. You'll see his stuff on like shot glasses, stuff like that. Drinking glasses, highball glasses, whatever. Pretty famous artist. He has a following, and these would be pretty good in good condition. These are 25 or 30 bucks, right in that ballpark. So keep an eye out for Ed Hardy. Always like cruising the mugs. Never know what you're gonna find in here. Like this one. I don't know about this one, but when you see Disney stuff, especially the raised embossed stuff, sometimes it can be pretty good. Maybe on this one. Nice thing is, look there, it is from the Disney parks. Any Disney stuff that comes out of Disney parks, always better. 19 listed, 3 sold. It stays. Okay, now this would be the grab if it had full pieces. And these actually sell, not super high dollar, but they sell pretty quickly and pretty well. People like them in the kitchen, they like them on the shelf. Mortar and pestle kits. This is marble. This is very heavy duty, but it's only half of it, and I don't want to sell just half. This is interesting. I don't think it's old, but kind of cool looking. I don't know, glass cat, Nana. I don't know glassware very well. Made in China. Jonas Roberts, made in Japan. I know that's sometimes a good thing. We might look that up. Okay, so we're getting some China, something I know nothing about, but The pattern looks cool. I've looked up the brand. We looked up that other one. No good. I don't even know what this is. They're connected. What is that? Cat? I don't know what this is. But the brand is Mason's, made in England. It's actually Mason's patent Ironside or Ironstone China. It's made in England. It seems to do well. It seems to be a popular brand. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what this is. I don't know what it's worth. I think it's worth something. So I didn't bring my black light. That's on me. But I have a sneaking suspicion that this is uranium glass. Just has that look. Unfortunately, there is a chip in here. I don't know. Okay, this one, guys. If you find a set of these, worth looking at. A single plate, not really worth it for me. But this is Blue Onion, made in Japan. These are pretty good. All right, and then let me show you this. We are picking up this butter dish as well. It's white, so it's not super exciting. Casey's got to get to the office. This is Fiesta ware, made in the USA. This might be a good one, guys. Yeah, 94. I think it was 93. This is a, I think, short-lived cartoon. Look this up. Okay, guys, we are back home. Here is the haul. We got some of it on video. There were kids around, and I didn't want to do that. And then they had loud music, and so we got what we could. But I did get a few more things that we didn't get on video. So let's go over it. I think you saw this guy. I don't yet know even what it is, but I think there's some value there. You saw the Fiesta ware butter dish. Now, if they're green or red or whatever, those are more valuable, but I think even the white one is probably going to be pretty good. In the store, I said I thought this was uranium glass. Once you see it, this particular kind, it does have a kind of a green, like a neon look to it, even in just regular light. But look here, guys, it is uranium glass. You can see right there. So I've now found the 3 of these, and all 3 of them I found without my blacklight. Maybe if I actually bring my blacklight with me when I go sourcing, I'll find some more of these things. But I don't think it's super valuable. It does have that chip on the bottom. Actually, I found another one, little imperfection. But for whatever reason, these juicers, the uranium glass juicers, seem to sell pretty well. I think it's still probably a $15 or $20 piece, even with the flaws. So pretty cool. This, I don't know what it's worth, but again, it's cool. This is, I don't think it's focusing. Let's put the UV light on it. Look at that. It's Vans. Bad lighting here in the living room. Yeah, it's a cool Vans. It's got like a little leather patch on it. Stars. I just thought it was neat. It's a strap back hat, and the back is leather as well. Just a cool hat. No idea on the value, but it was worth picking up. This pretty cool. You didn't see this either. This is a single stitch t-shirt. It says Memory Lane Car Club. I just thought it was really, really cool. This is actually the back graphic on there. The front graphic is just a little logo, basically the same thing on the chest, but it is a single stitch made in the USA. So pretty neat. Here we've got a pair of cool jeans. Cool with a K. That is a fantastic brand. You can see it's actually embroidered down here on the pocket as well. These are probably $30 jeans, even used. And guess what? So are these, because I found a pair of 501s that are new with tags. They have a Macy's tag on there, so it was a going out of sale, going out of business sale, I'm sure. There is a little flaw on these right here. There's like a little pull, but I don't think that's going to be that big a deal. Somebody's still going to want these, and those are still probably $25 or $30 jeans. So not bad. This thing, there is only one of these biker mice from Mars. There's only one backpack listed. It's not this one. So this is unique to eBay right now. Once I get it listed. This is going to be a longer tail item, probably because you're looking for that niche collector. But there's a few spots on this, I think, just from storage. This was never used. It's still very clean. You can see it's even still got the original tag thing on there. It lost the actual tag, but it's got the plastic piece. So very cool from the early 90s. Then we grabbed this. Yeah, it's it looks to me like an angry flamingo. He's got like plastic legs that makes him stand up, and then the top is plush. I mean, look at that though. He just looks like, he's like, yes, I'm pink, move along. That's what we're gonna do. The value, I have no idea. He just might hang out with me on my shipping center. So then we got the glass, you saw the glass, and then this, on my way out. Keep an eye out for this stuff, guys. I do sell lots of media, and media does very well. This one is Buffy the Vampire Slayer, and it is the complete series, 1 through 7. Now, I've sold Buffy the Vampire Slayer DVDs before. It wasn't the complete series when I picked these up at a garage sale. He was missing one season, so I just sold them one off, and I sold every one of them. If I sell them together, that's probably what I want to do, just because I want to get them out and quick. But I think we're looking at probably about $100 right here, guys. $100 for old DVDs. Now I paid $2.99 for each of those, so I'm $21 in. But for a $100 return, I will do that every time. So it was going to be a targeted search. I wanted small, fast, easy to ship. I don't know. Some of those items are going to be fast. Some of them are going to be easy to ship. But I couldn't help myself. I saw a couple good deals. Longer tail items, cool items. But in all, we spent 55 bucks, and we're going to make that back off of the 2 pair of jeans. Once those sell, everything else is pure profit, or we're going to double that when we sell the DVDs. However you want to look at it. Those are probably an easy $100 sale, as I said. So that's what we pulled out of Goodwill today, guys. What did you pull out of your Goodwill? I've been doing really well there lately. I've been finding a cool shirt every time I go in there. This time, no different. And we got some cool stuff otherwise. So thanks for stopping by. Comment down below. Let me know what you're pulling out of your thrift store. It's always interesting to see what's in different areas. If you haven't, subscribe already. We've passed 1,000, so now we're just going to keep on pushing. We're trying to build up those watch hours. So if you get bored, you want to watch something, let one of these playlists go, huh? Thanks for stopping by, guys. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time.